What's up, guys? You got to check out these really nice digital binoculars. So whether it's day or night, you're able to see with the infrared technology on here. It is crystal clear on this really big LED display. It's super easy to turn on. You're just going to hit the power button here, and you're going to see that display light up. You're able to focus just by adjusting this dial on the front here. That way you can get that crystal clear image. So it does have 3 different modes that you can cycle through. You have pictures, you have videos, and then you can actually play back the pictures and videos that you took on here. And what I love about it too is that this is where you're going to put your micro SD card that it comes with, and you're going to be able to collect all that footage and be able to upload it right to your computer. That way you can share it with family and friends. The nighttime capability of this is incredible. It does have 7 infrared brightnesses on here, so you can increase the intensity, which just makes these binoculars so nice to use at night, being able to see at great distances. It does have this button right here, which allows you to change the color of the screen. You have a luminous green, you have an infrared mode, and then you have regular color. It does have a menu button on here, and this thing is just so customizable. You're able to go through all the settings and just customize it to your needs. This is really nice to use on a tripod, just to be able to hold everything steady on here. It does have a spot that you can just screw it right in. And on the bottom here, this is where you're going to charge it up. It does have a battery life of 10 hours of continuous use. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge up. This does a great job at the daytime, being able to see at a distance, just being able to enjoy nature. And then at nighttime, you can just turn on the infrared mode, and it's just so cool to be able to see nature where the animals are a little more lively at night. So if you're looking for a really nice pair of digital binoculars that are great at nighttime with its infrared technology, these ones right here are a great choice. Thanks for watching.